them. Girl, it's something about you, think I'ma keep them. Up in the wagon, I put the Jeep up, living lavish.
I don't know how people do that. That's like, that was not how you meditate. That was not how you meditate. But anyway, guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I filmed a really cute, really simple, quick spring makeup tutorial. As you can see right here, we have a lot of eye colors going. We got the orange popping, the purple, the blue. Even though in Philly right now it is not spring weather, it's snowing outside, stuff like that, I felt like I should represent spring inside the house. So I decided to film a quick little tutorial. I hope you guys all enjoy it, and I'll get right into it. But before then, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll get right into the video. Woo! Okay, to get started, first we're going to be starting off with the eyeshadow. The eyelid is already prepped with the LA Girl Pro Concealer and Warm Honey. I'm going to be using my Take Me to Brazil palette from BH Cosmetics, and we're going to be using that orange shade that I showed you, and we're going to be placing that all over the entire lid as our transition color, and just to brighten up the look and make it look cute. Next, we're going to be taking that darker purple color and using that in the outer corner of our eye just to deepen the look and to make it look more dramatic and spring-like with all these colors. Next, we're going to be taking that hot pink color, and we're going to be using that as one of the eyelid colors. We're going to be placing that on the lid just to make it pop more. I am using this eyeshadow palette for the entire look, so you guys can go out and purchase this palette. It's really nice. BH Cosmetics has really good eyeshadows. They're really pigmented, especially this eyeshadow palette. Like, they have really bright colors, and it's just really cool. I really like it. Next, I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and just to prep the eye for the blue color that I'm going to be placing on it, just to get it prepped and primed for the color so it will show up even more fierce. It's like a turquoise or a teal. It's like a teal. I'm just going to be placing that on the inner corners of the eye. Next, I'm just going in and blending it all out. Make sure all the eyeshadows look good. And we're going to take the tape off. I decided to, put the color underneath in my waterline too. I hate doing this. I always be tearing up, about to cry when I do this. It's just whatever.
Because I'm always tip top. When they say I'm not hot, all these lies need to stop. Cause I'm icy, wifey. Haters wanna fight me. Never been the one get RP up on a white tee. Keep my hands clean.
Alright, mini music break, mini dance break. Now we're just going to be putting on our foundation. I'm using the Revlon Colorstay in the shade 355. All the things I used in this video will be linked down in the description box, so check that out if you are wondering what are the exact products I'm using. And I'm using a beauty blender from Sephora. I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn now and placing that on the highlighted points of my face to give me that extra glow so I can come out fierce. My face can be sharp and cute. And then I'm just going to blend that out with my beauty blender. My damp beauty blender. Sorry, my damp beauty blender. It's important to note that. Alright, on to setting my concealer. I'm using my, Black Radiance contour palette. It's from the drugstore. The good thing about this look is that a lot of the items I use are affordable and from the drugstore. because don't nobody got money to go to Sephora and M.A.C all day long. We need to look good on the budget. Next, I'm just going to be contouring with that same black Radiance palette from Rite Aid, CVS, or Walgreens, whichever one you want to get from. And I'm just making my face sharp, toned, look like I ain't got no chubby cheeks. And then what I always like to do is just to go underneath it with my highlight color just to sharpen it a little bit more. Highlight. Ladies love highlight. This is my highlight that I always use. It's by M.A.C. I don't know the name, but it's like a trio. It has gold, rose gold, and a silver, and I just love it. It's making me glisten. And next, I'm going to be going to the lips. I'm using my Kat Von D Lolita, the original, like not the Lolita 2 or Lolita 3, wherever she on. And I'm going to be using orange over top of it when I get to it. There it is. I'm using Pumpkin by Kylie Jenner, and to add that ombre look to the lips. And I'm setting. And ugly face. Yep, that's a cute face. And yeah, that completes the look.
Switch up the tempo. Can I switch up the tempo? Switch up the tempo.